Hello everyone, this is my Volkswagen Id.7 Pro, rear wheel drive, 210 kilowatt, 286 horsepower. Volkswagen says 6.5 seconds, 0 to 100 kilometers an hour, and today I want to test it. I'm going to put Draggy outside of the car. It's a GPS measurement that measures from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour very precisely, and then we'll do it in eco mode, in comfort mode and in sport mode. The car weighs 2,260 kilos with me and my camera equipment. I just went on a scale. It's wet, it's raining. We'll see if I can get the power down. Yeah, overall acceleration in this car is great. It's better than in my ID.3 and it feels great. It's not amazingly powerful, but it feels good by overtaking even at higher speeds, and I love that. By the way, that's the first ID car where I can put the camera in the front since the cockpit is not attached to the steering wheel. Awesome. We're in eco mode. Let's see what we have. I think it's gonna be slow from the start, and that's okay. That's what eco mode is for. GPS is working. It's not raining so much anymore. We stop here. Oh, das ist langsam. 9.54 seconds, and it's verified. That's what we want. Go in comfort mode. Das gibt's ja nicht. Kreuzsakrament, Kruzifix. Comfort mode. .41 seconds. Verified. Woohoo! Oh, that's the horrible sound. Ah, you can switch that, of course. If you go in individual mode, put the drive in sport, but the drive sound in comfort. Ah! Oh man. So. Sportmodus. .39 seconds. So no difference. Comfort and sport mode. I didn't even feel a difference when I accelerated, that I felt something is different. So the same as in my ID.3, there was no big difference in those two drive modes. But it was faster than what Volkswagen says, 6.5 seconds, and I didn't have spinning wheels even though the road is wet. I'm happy. And by the way, I don't know if I ever mentioned this, but in this car, the normal driving sound I do not hear inside the car when I'm driving. The sport sound, yes, but the normal sound I cannot hear. Why is the high beams on? I pressed something. It's a week later. Today I'm above 90% and I preheated the battery. It's well, I cannot even heat it up, but it says it's almost there. And I thought I want to see if there's any difference, so we're gonna do it in sport acceleration again. It's also dry today, but -1 degrees. .43 seconds, so there is no difference if you do it in 80% or under 80% and 100% or 92, 91 now, and the battery doesn't have to be hot for rapid charging. Normal battery temperature is fine. And now let's see if I can accelerate from 0 to 180. 181 is on the speedometer. I guess that's 177. GPS, something like this. But we'll see how the highway is, and the highway won't be perfectly straight. So this is just for fun. This is not a test. Who knows? Again, traffic and maybe elevation. Let's do this and go. $100, $110, $120, $130, $140, $150, $160. Why do I get a spinning wheels sign? And 181. I've seen 182 before. Yeah, there it is. And that's it. That's all we have. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It rules. Just like that. And I'm dying. And if you want to support this channel, I would really appreciate it. You can do that via joining Patreon or channel membership here on YouTube, where people that are supporting me get the videos first. They have input on the videos. They give me suggestions. They ask me questions, what they want to know. They get info about something new first. They're amazing. They support me. I support them. Thank you very much. But that's it for me. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day and take care. Bye.